I'm Naren Bakshi, founder of India Wellness Code Trust. Today was the launch of our Wellness Resource Center in my ancestral home property in Jaipur. I'm so delighted that such a thing is happening in a place where I grew up, and now we are converting it into a place that will help 5 million people over the next 5 years. It is possible only because we have a big dream, like any startup does. But it's not a big dream that is coming from nowhere. It's coming because for 3 years in the United States, we've been leading a wellness movement under the name of crackthewellnesscode.org with the support of India Community Center. So we are bringing all those experiences from Silicon Valley to our pink city, Jaipur. It's a pan-India movement to create wellness resource centers everywhere, whether it be hospitals, whether it be educational institutions, whether it be districts, whether it be even smaller villages. India needs a lot of prevention, a lot of early diagnosis, and many examples of reversing our lifestyle diseases. 70% of our lifestyle diseases are reversible. It was so good that the keynote speaker today, Dr. Sudhir Bhandari, is very well known doctor, believes in it, not only believes in it, wrote a book about this subject, and he was our keynote speaker. In addition to that, today we signed a MOU with the best institution that exists in the country for IIHMR, Indian Institute for Health Management Research. So for that top institution to form a partnership with this Wellness Resource Center Trust is absolutely phenomenal. All of this was possible because we built a great team of young people that is very diverse. It has 2 wonderful women that are passionate, Sneha, Smriti. It has technologists like Tushar and Devendra. It has interns like Rishi Surana. It has a team from Global Lancers that is doing a lot of work, not just for here, but Silicon Valley. So highest class technical work is also getting done in this building, in this city. With this kind of a launch, I can tell you, startups require big vision, which we have. We impact 5 million people, 5 million families over the next 5 years. We have clear feeling of understanding startups, which means we know that we must persist, we must face difficulties, we must correct issues when they come. And then the growth happens because we are able to convince people. Institutions like educational institutions, corporate institutions like NEI, like Pratham, like Data Infosys, like KP Automotives. So we have so many educational and corporate wellness partners that are joining hands with us. We have jewelers associations, we have alumni associations, we have Birla group of companies and institutions. So with that kind of power, with support of Chief Ministers, support of Health Minister, and today with Sudhir Bhandari ji, IIHMR, I have no doubt that we are going to achieve this over the next 5 years. But I also know, I'm pragmatic, that we will have to keep on learning to find better and better models which are scalable. Our goal is not just to take this one center and perfect it, but we will perfect it with a content library, a library which is multimedia, library that is accessible to community, accessible to seniors, accessible to youth. It will not solve just body problems, but focus on multi-dimensional issues, 10 dimensions of wellness and more. So I'm very proud of what happened today. Good start. Our team has been together as a team only for 10 days. Two of these young women only joined on April 1st. For them to pull off such an event is just phenomenal. I congratulate, I'm proud of them. I am no doubt that under the leadership of Wing Commander Kala and trusteeship of my own sister-in-law Anjana Jain, Satish Ji Ajmera, and support from all the way in Silicon Valley, people like Somnath Chatterjee and more, we will get the guidance we need. We also have doctors with us, Dr. Sunil Jain, Dr. Rashmi Jain, Dr. Chavi Mehra in Bangalore, Dr. Sheila Naimbar, President of Lifestyle Medicine, and more and more and more. So having that kind of volunteer support with so many other volunteers like Jitendra Gautam, Harminder Multani, Arushi Jain, and growing list of people that will be there as volunteer leaders to support this young team. I'm also delighted that my entire extended Bakshi family, many people were here, and I'm blessed by support of my elders, my cousins, and my own wife, and support of my own children who have clearly said that, Daddy, please do whatever you wish. We do not need or want any money out of Bakshi Bhavan. Please use it for good cause. So that's very happy thing. So I'm interested in getting something good done in my lifetime, in next 5 years. No point in leaving a legacy if you don't do things in your own life. Today, we are also very pleased that we have wellness ambassadors like Neeta Buchraji with us for women. Today, we also got Mahavir Sharma to get acceptance as a wellness ambassador for entrepreneurs. We already have Defense Forces join in with Anuj Mathur, retired Major General. We also have CP Singh. We have, of course, Wing Commander Kala, Harminder Singh Multani, so Defense Ministry is fully represented. We then also are very happy to know that whole Kala family is here with Vivek Kala and others. We have so many doctors led by Sunil Jain, Rashmi Jain. So today, another big thing happened. My request who got accepted by Dr. Sudhir Bhandari he has agreed to become our advisor for this wellness movement along with Sheila Ji Naimbar. So with this kind of power, how can we not achieve something big? And this is just a start. We also have motivational speaker like Shiv Khera with us, who is our wellness ambassador, and we will be seeking more as time goes by. Thank you.